Hey everyone, this is not a trading guru. I have been day trading on a live account for a few months now. My trading universe is very limited for now due to lack of capital, and I am trading only one instrument, that is futures. And within futures as well, there is only one particular futures that I concentrate on, which is ES. Overall, while trading, there are multiple blunders that I do regularly, and the purpose of this video is to document those blunders so hopefully it can get into my subconscious mind and moving forward I can avoid repeating them. Also, I have been active on Reddit, just reading posts and trying to learn from others' mistakes. And I can proudly say it's not just me, most of everyone is on the same boat and repeat same mistakes. Haha. Trying to justify myself, if everyone is wrong, that makes me less wrong. Ha ha ha. So hopefully this video can help you viewers as well to know the trading psychology of the decision making process and to identify whether you are following the same footsteps, and hopefully you can avoid making the same mistakes. First blunder I want to talk about is targeting the pivots. Pivot is a point from which price reverses the direction and creates a new trend. This is the trade I made on 9th of April. Price suddenly broke the market structure and created a new low for the day. Then it went for a really short pullback and created a further new low and then pivoted again. I quickly drew the conclusion from the highest price of pullback, price will pivot again and start going further down. Why is it a blunder? Since the assumption that even though the momentum has broken, price will continue without testing the new low of the day. So now you can see the trade in action. So I have placed the trade at the highest pullback price. Now the trade is live, and then rather than changing or pivoting the direction, it started continuing on the same, and then I went out of the stop loss. On the contrary, this is a much better trade. If you see the last candle, the red one, the pullback is like 10%. And then I went in the trade and the price without any drama started going further down, hitting the profit target. So, what have we learned? Don't aim for pivots. Instead, trade in the direction of the momentum, keeping a view on the pullbacks. Right, I have no intention of making hours long video, and so I will stop this here for now, and we will continue this in the next few videos. In the meanwhile, have a good morning, afternoon, evening or night, depending on where you are, and see you next time.